Hello everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Girish Bhatt. And in this video, we are going to discuss the tricks to solve questions related to dice, right? All the tricks, how to solve any question related to dice within 5 or 6 seconds. Just read the question and mark the answer, right? Please confirm my voice is audible to everyone and screen is visible. Yes, please confirm. My voice is audible to everyone and screen is visible. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, please confirm. My voice is audible to everyone clearly. Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay. So in this session, we are going to discuss all the tricks related to dice. Any question related to dice, agar wo exam mein aata hai, how you will deal with that question and how you will be able to solve that question within seconds, right? So generally, agar aapko pata hai, in your exam, right, dice are of 2 different types, right? 2 different type के dice होते हैं जिनसे related questions exam में पूछे जाते हैं, right? One dice is standard dice, and second one is general dice, right? What standard dice means? Standard dice means जो dice आपने अगर लूडो खेला आपने तो वहां पर जो dice आप use करते हैं that is standard dice. उसका एक standard form होता है, एक fixed format होता है, right? What is that standard format? In case of standard dice, sum of opposite faces is 7, always, right? Sum of any opposite face. Let's say in case of a standard dice, if I'm saying which number is opposite to 1, so 1 plus 6 is equals to 7, you can easily answer 6 will be opposite to 1 in case of a standard dice. Let's say if 3 is here, which number will be opposite to 3? 4 will be opposite to 3 because 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Similarly, 2 and 5, they are also opposite faces because 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. But यहाँ पर जो concept है ना, standard dice, ये exam में नहीं पूछा जाता, right? Exam में क्या आता है? Question from general dice. This is important part. And what about general dice? यहाँ पर opposite faces का sum, any number can be the sum, right? It can be like 5 and 6 are opposite. It can be like 6 and 2 are opposite, 6 and 3 are opposite. कोई भी number किसी के opposite हो सकता है, right? ठीक है? कोई भी number किसी के opposite हो सकता है. That is general, and standard dice is sum of opposite faces is 7. And यहाँ से exam में question नहीं आता है. Question में exam कहाँ से आता है? General dice से जहाँ पर opposite faces कुछ भी हो सकता है. Correct? So I'll give you some tricks how you will be able to solve any question related to general dice within 5 or 6 seconds. Correct? So I'm taking very first type, right? Very first type and most important type. See, 90% question, agar aap previous year mein dekhoge, 90% questions of dice are based on the very first concept, right? And the name of the concept is if only one number is common. Let's say one die is rolled for 2 times or 3 times or 5 times, right? And you'll get some outcomes, right? And you have 2 images given, right? Like let's say one die is rolled for 2 times. First आपको ये वाली image आती है सामने. Second image is this image. Same die, right? Now the very first concept is about if only one number is common. कौन से numbers में? Those numbers which are visible. जो आपको दिख रहे हैं उनमें only one number is common. Only, or we can say exactly one number, right? So here which number is common? Like here 6 is the common number, right? Check the common number. Here 6 is the common number, right? In case of dice, what are the possible outcomes? It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, 5 or 6, right? These are the possible numbers because dice में 1 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So here the common number is 6. And the concept is if only one number or exactly one number is common, correct? So only common number is 6. So 6 के opposite, common number के opposite is always the number जो आपको दोनों डाइस में नहीं दिख रहा है, right? कौन सा नंबर ऐसा है यहाँ पर जो आपको नहीं दिख रहा है? Yes. Here 3, 5 and 6 is visible. Here 2, 6 and 4 is visible. Now which number is not visible in these two dice? And that number is 1. So opposite face of 6 is always 1. I hope this is clear to everyone. Common number के opposite is the number or letter or symbol. कभी यहाँ पर number भी हो सकते हैं, letters भी हो सकते हैं, symbols भी हो सकते हैं. Common number के opposite or common letter के opposite or common symbol के opposite is the number, letter or symbol that is not visible in these two dice. So here 1 is not visible. So 1 is opposite to 6, right? Now, which number is opposite to 3? वो कैसे find करेंगे? और which number is opposite to 4 or opposite to 2, opposite to 5? So from this common number, start clockwise rotation. I'm talking about clockwise rotation. आपको पता है clock के hands किस direction में rotate करते हैं? Clockwise rotation. Do the rotation in the same direction, जिस direction में clock के hands rotate करते हैं from the common number. 6 से आप आए यहाँ पर 3, then 5. Note down this. You have 6, then 3, and then 5. Similarly, in the second dice, do the same rotation from the common number 6, 3, 2, clockwise rotation. So here we have 6, then we have 2, and then we have 4. So from this 6 के opposite is 1 जो हम already find कर चुके हैं. Common number के opposite कौन होता है? Number that is not visible. Now we are left with, हमें यहाँ पर कुछ pattern दिख रहा है, right? So this 3 and 2, these two are opposite. 5 and 4, these two are also opposite numbers. So 3 and 2 are opposite faces in these two dice, and 4 and 5 are opposite faces. Done. Now you can answer any question related to this. I hope this is clear to everyone. Very first step is pick the common number, and this is the case if only or exactly one number is common. And here common number is 6, right? And opposite of common number is the number that is not visible, right? And here the number not visible is 1. So 1 is opposite to 6. Then from the common number, start clockwise rotation, right? From 6, then we have 3, then we have 5. Similarly, from 6, we have 2, then 4. 6, 3, 5, then 6, 2, 4. These 3 and 2 are opposite. 5 and 4 are opposite, right? Clear? Yes, please confirm me if this is clear to everyone. How to solve any question related to dice if exactly one number or one letter or one symbol is common, right? Okay, I'm taking one more example to understand the concept. Okay, perfect. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay, okay. Then tell me which number is opposite to 2 here. Number opposite to 2 in these two dice. Number opposite to 2. Quick. I need answer within 10 seconds. Try to answer within 10 seconds. Number opposite to 2. Let's see how many of you can answer. I'm getting answers. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so here the common number is 3. And number not visible is again 1. So 3 and 1 are opposite. Right, first part, what I get from the logic, opposite of 3 is 1. 3 is the common number, and number which is not visible is 1 here. Then start clockwise rotation. You'll get 3, 4, 2. And the second one, 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, and 6. So from this, 2 and 6 are opposite. 4 and 5 are opposite. I hope this first concept is clear to everyone. So opposite to 2 is 6. Right? This is the approach, and you'll get 90% questions of dice from this same concept, right, in your exam. Now we'll move to the second concept after this, if this is clear to everyone. If this is clear to everyone, then we'll move to the second concept. Please confirm me if this is clear to everyone. Yes, please confirm. First concept is clear. Okay, perfect. Okay, excellent, excellent. So, okay, one example with letters. What you'll do if you have two or more than two, let's say 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures are given, right? Let's say one die is rolled for 5 times, right? Then we have 5 outcomes, 5 different outcomes, right? Then what you'll do, how you'll apply the same concept, right? Pick any two. Let's say here we have 3. Pick any two having exactly 1 letter common. Pick any 2 dice having exactly 1 letter common and apply the same concept. You'll get the answer. Tell me which letter is opposite to F. Opposite to F. Do the same. Apply the same concept. Pick any 2 having exactly 1 letter common. This is first, second, third. Letters here are A, B, C, D, E, and F. Common letter is F. And letter which is not visible, in first 2, pick first and second. Pick first and second. F ke opposite is excellent. Right. Now you can answer such questions now within seconds. Right. And let's say which letter is opposite to A. Which letter is opposite to A? Do the same clockwise rotation. Third one is A here. Third one is E. So A and E are opposite. And the second number, C and D are opposite. Right. Got the point? How to tackle any question. Let's say symbols are given. Let's say letters are given. Numbers are given. You can solve any question related to this. First and third. Is there any number or letter common? Yes, D. Okay. Sureshta, what is the problem in first and third? What is the problem? See, here 2 letters are common. I told you this is the logic for if exactly one number or letter or word is common. Got the point? Why we are not taking 1 and 3? Why we are taking 1 and 2 only? This is the logic for if we have exactly 1 letter, 1 number, or we can say 1 word is common. Then only we can apply this. Otherwise, we have some other approach for 2 letters common or 2 numbers common. We have one more approach, second method, right? Okay. Now try to answer in this question. Here we have 4 dice, right? 4 diagrams. Opposite to B. I need answer from everyone. Which letter is opposite to B? Letter opposite to B. Just try to answer. Which letter is opposite to B? You all have 10 seconds only. And try to answer within 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm getting answers. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Letter opposite to B. Okay. Pick. Okay. Kisko pick karna hai? Okay. B. And here is also B. First and fourth ko pick kar lete hain. B is the common letter. And the letter or which is not visible in this is E. Answer done. Correct, right? Pick first. Why I'm not picking these 2? Why not these 2? Because here the common letters are 2. B and D. B and D. These 2 letters are common. And this is the logic for exactly 1 letter, 1 number or 1 symbol is common. अगर उससे ज़्यादा common है तो नहीं apply करना. Right? अगर उससे ज़्यादा common होंगे तो क्या apply करते हैं उसकी बात करेंगे. Right? After this. I hope this is clear to everyone. Why E is opposite to B. Let's say. Now, the second concept. If exactly two letters or numbers or symbols are common, right? Exactly two letters, numbers, or symbols are common. What is the logic in that case? I'm taking one example, right? Here we have two dice. Here common 6 and 2, 2 and 6. Two numbers are common. In that case, what is the approach? What is the logic? You can only answer the remaining numbers. Here the remaining numbers are 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are opposite. From this particular case, you can only answer this. आपसे मैं बोलूंगा which number is opposite to 6. It can be remaining two, कोई भी हो सकता है. It can be 1 or it can be 3. It can be which number? 4. Right. So you cannot answer which number is opposite to 6 exactly. Right. You are not in a condition with the help of the second approach. You can only answer जो common part है उनको eliminate कर दो. Right. If two letters or two numbers are visible, right, common, right? Here 2 and 6 are common in these two dice. So in that case, common number are 5 and 3. They are opposite. 5 here, 3 here, they are opposite to each other. ठीक है, आप केवल यही आंसर कर पाओगे इसकी हेल्प से, और आप कुछ भी यहाँ पर आंसर करने की सिचुएशन में नहीं हो, राइट? सो आई एम टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल. टेल मी व्हिच फ्रॉम दिस डायग्राम व्हिच नंबर इज ऑपोजिट टू 5? Number opposite to 5. Just try to answer. Number opposite to 5. Which number is opposite to 5? Let's see how many of you can answer. And I hope this is clear to everyone. What is the second approach? If exactly two numbers are common, here the common numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Pick the common number. The remaining numbers are जो भी बचा, they are opposite. Right? Here 5 is left. Here 4 is left. So 4 and 5 are opposite. And this is the only answer you'll get from this second concept. Right? You cannot answer here which number is opposite to 2. You are not in a situation or in a condition to answer this question. You can only answer this question in terms of possibilities, right? It can be 6 or it can be, which number is left now? It can be 3, right? Means you can answer in possibilities, but you cannot exactly answer. You are not in a condition to answer which number is exactly opposite to 2 with the help of this logic. Clear? So, one question we have here, try to answer which number is opposite to 2. Try to answer everyone. Number opposite to 2. Everyone. Now you have two concepts. With the help of first and second, try to answer. 3 dice are given, right? Number opposite to 2. Within 10 seconds, I need answer from everyone. Excellent. Number opposite to 2, pick any two having exactly one number common and apply the approach. You'll get the answer within seconds. Excellent, excellent. I'm getting answers. Very good, very good. Pick any two. Let's say I'm taking first and second, right? Here the common number is 3. And common number के opposite is the number that is not visible. So 3 के opposite is the number. Which number is not visible in first and second diagram? 6 is not visible. So 6. And what about 2? Then from the common number, start the clockwise rotation. Clockwise. Clock के hands जिस direction में rotate करते हैं, उसी direction में आपने rotation करना है. So what you'll get? Common point, then 2, and then 1. Do the same with the second dice. Common point is 3. Then you'll reach at 4 in clockwise rotation, right? Clockwise rotation. 4 and then 5. So from this you have 2 and 4 are opposite. 1 and 5 are opposite. We are looking for opposite number of 2. That is 4. I hope this is clear to everyone now. ठीक है, अच्छे से. Open dice. These are the cases for open dice. With the help of these two cases, now you can solve, closed dice. With the help of these two cases, you can answer any question related to closed dice. Right. Now, what about open dice? Right. Okay, I'm taking one more question. Okay, this is the question. Yes, try to answer which number is opposite to 54. Number opposite to 54. Right. Here, first diagram, second, third, and fourth. Yes, everyone, try to answer number opposite to 54. 54 के opposite कौन सा number होगा? I'm getting answer very fast, very fast. Excellent. Very good. If you are getting the concept now, so do like the video. Okay, I'm getting correct answers. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. So we are looking for number opposite to 54, right? Here, first and second common numbers are कोई भी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Either apply the first approach or apply the second approach, right? Let's say third and fourth, 54. I guess 54 is common number in these two. And tell me which number is not visible here. 53 is not visible in these two diagrams. So common number के opposite कौन होता है जो visible ही नहीं है. Visible कौन सा number नहीं, ये 53 इन दोनों में कहीं भी नहीं दिख रहा है हमको. So number opposite to 54 is 53. Done. I hope कि आपको भी 5 to 10 seconds से ज़्यादा आंसर करने में टाइम नहीं लग रहा है for closed eyes, right? And this is the actual difficulty of your exam. अगर आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा ऐसे ही आएगा, right? Now only second question part left is open dice. So what is open dice? Open dice, right? How you will solve, how you will tackle any question related to open dice? कैसे solve करेंगे open dice को? Open dice means, as you all know, dice is having 6 faces, right? कितने faces होते हैं? 6 faces, right? So open कर देना पूरे dice को, right? कुछ ऐसे open कर सकते हैं, right? These are the 6 faces of any dice, right? Dice के सारे faces को हमने open कर दिया. Now in case of open dice, these alternate faces are opposite. जो भी ये alternate faces दिख रहे हैं ना, ये opposite होते हैं. Simple. This is the logic. Alternate faces are opposite. Alternate faces are opposite in case of open dice. So 2 and 4 are opposite, and 1 and 6 are opposite. Bacha कौन? 5 and 3 बचे, they are also opposite. 5 and 3 are also opposite. So this is the logic for open dice. What we have? Alternate faces are opposite to each other. जो भी alternate faces होते हैं वो opposite होते हैं. 2 and 4 are alternate faces, so they are opposite. 1 and 6 are alternate faces, so they are also opposite. 5 and 3 are left, so they will be opposite. Let's say I'm taking one more example to understand the concept better, right? Let's say these are 4 faces given, right? One more 4. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3. Let's say these are 6 faces of a dice. Which faces are opposite? Let's say, so the 6 and 2 are opposite, 1 and 4 are opposite, and 5 and 3 are opposite. Alternate faces are opposite. 1 and 4, right? And 6 and 2, and 5 and 3. I hope this is clear to everyone कि कौन कौन से फेसेस कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. एंड आपको एक बात ओपन डाइस के केस में और पता होनी चाहिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ऑपोजिट faces can never be adjacent. जो आपके opposite faces है ना, वो कभी भी adjacent में नहीं हो सकते. Let's say here 1 and 4 are opposite, right? तो आपका ये close होने के बाद ये dice इस form में नहीं हो सकता कि ऐसे मत बोलना कि this is possible. Let's say 1 and 4. ऐसे ये एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट में नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज 1 and 4 आर ऑपोजिट फेसेस, एंड अगर 1 इज विजिबल तो इसका ऑपोजिट फेस हमको बिल्कुल भी विजिबल नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो पीछे साइड है, इधर होना चाहिए 4, एंड वो वाला फेस विजिबल नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दिस इज द पॉइंट, ऑपोजिट फेसेस कैन नेवर बी एडजेसेंट, राइट? इफ वन, और वी कैन से कि दोनों ऑपोजिट फेसेस एक साथ विजिबल कभी भी नहीं हो सकते, अगर हो रहे हैं तो दैट इज इनकरेक्ट डायग्राम। लेट्स से कोई भी डायग्राम है उसमें 2 and 4 एक साथ विजिबल नहीं हो सकता अगर वो क्लोज्ड डाइस है। लेट्स से हम टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल, क्या बात कर रहे हैं हम, लेट्स से दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट? दिस इज वन डाइस, अगर इसको क्लोज करेंगे तो आउट ऑफ ए बी सी डी विच इज द पॉसिबल डायग्राम, इस ओपन डाइस को अगर हम क्लोज करेंगे तो आउट ऑफ ए बी सी डी विच वन इज द पॉसिबल डायग्राम? यस, ट्राई टू आंसर एवरीवन। अगर इसको हम क्लोज कर देंगे तो विच आउट ऑफ द 4 ABCD is possible diagram? As you all know, 2 and 4 are opposite here. Excellent. Very good. Yes, everyone, try to answer. 2 and 4 are opposite. 1 and 6 are opposite. Remaining 5 and 3 are also opposite. Okay. Okay. First, 1 opposite face is 6. Not visible, perfect. 5 के opposite is 3. 5 and 3. Not possible. Opposite faces सामने नहीं दिखाई दे सकते। अगर एक फेस दिख रहा है तो दूसरा उसके पीछे साइड होना चाहिए, वो विजिबल नहीं हो सकता, राइट? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि दोनों फेसेस एक साथ विजिबल होंगे हमें, करेक्ट? Same, similarly, second, 2 and 4, these are also opposite faces, and here both are visible, so this is also not possible, right? This D part, 6 and 1, they are also opposite face, so both are visible. Opposite faces can never be adjacent, kabhi bhi nahi ho sakte, right? So this is also eliminated. Now we are left with only this option. That is my final answer. I hope everyone got the point. What does the this point means? Opposite faces can never be adjacent, right? Let's say here if 6 is visible ना, तो इसका जो opposite face होगा वो पीछे साइड होगा, वो कैसे visible हो सकता है, right? So वो दोनों एक साथ कभी भी visible नहीं हो सकते, एक face केवल। Okay, मैं फिर से explain करता हूँ, देखो, let's say this is one dice, right? Let's say here is 4. अब इसका ऑपोजिट फेस कौन सा होगा बच्चे? ये ना, पीछे, राइट? किड्स टीवी, व्हाट इज योर नेम? 4 के ऑपोजिट जो फेस होगा, क्या वो आपको विजिबल हो सकता है क्या? वो विजिबल हो सकता है क्या? नो, नेवर। सो ये 4 के ऑपोजिट यहाँ पर कौन है? 2। सो आपको जो ओरिजिनल इस ओपन डाइस को अगर क्लोज करेंगे तो 4 and 2 एक साथ विजिबल नहीं हो सकते, 1 and 6 एक साथ विजिबल नहीं हो सकते। अगर मैं 2 को यहां पर लिख देता हूं ना, दैट मींस ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हो गए, अभी ऑपोजिट नहीं है, अभी ये एडजेसेंट हो गए, एंड ऑपोजिट फेसेस एडजेसेंट नहीं हो सकते, राइट? ऑपोजिट फेसेस का मींस अगर एक फेस इधर है तो एक उसके पीछे है, वो तो छुप जाएगा। लेट्स से 6 यहां पर है तो इसका ऑपोजिट फेस तो ढका हुआ इधर है, राइट? सिमिलरली अगर if 5 is here, opposite face तो नीचे है इसकी, तो वो कैसे विजिबल हो सकता है? आप फर्स्ट ए पार्ट देखो, 3 and 5 both are visible, बट आपने तो अभी फाइंड किया था 3 and 5 are opposite faces, so दोनों विजिबल नहीं हो सकते, so eliminated. Similarly 2 and 4 eliminated. Similarly 1 and 6 are opposite, so eliminated. Now we are left with 4 के opposite यहाँ पर कौन होगा? 2, not visible. 3 के opposite is 5, that is also not visible, and 1 के opposite is 6, that is also not visible. Means this is the perfect diagram, this is possible diagram अगर इस open dice को हम close करेंगे। Got the point? Ayush, got the point? Why A, B, D are eliminated and why C is correct? Because in case of open dice, this is the important point, right? Opposite faces can never be adjacent. Taking one more example, right? Try to answer, everyone. Yes, try to answer. Select the box that cannot be formed by folding the given unfolded box. इसको fold करके कौन सा diagram नहीं बन सकता? Yes, you all have 20 seconds. Let's see how many of you can answer within 20 seconds. Select the box that can. Khushi, very fast. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Select the box that cannot be formed by folding the given unfolded box. Excellent. Apply the same concept. Alternate faces are opposite. Right. Check the alternate faces. You'll get the answer. B and F. They are also opposite. Now left with D and E. So remaining faces are also opposite. And opposite faces can never be adjacent. Excellent. So here, D and E are opposite faces. D and E are opposite faces, and opposite faces can never be adjacent. So D is the right answer. After folding this dice, D is not possible. Got the point? Everyone, tell me, is this concept clear to everyone now? What is the concept of open dice and how to deal with or how to tackle the questions related to open dice? And the concept is simple. Alternate faces are opposite. And second point is opposite faces can never be adjacent. And this is now complete concept of dice. Now you are in a condition, अगर आपको ये तीनों पॉइंट समझ आ गए तो you can answer any single question. कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो आपके एग्जाम में आएगा, you can answer all the questions within 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. Right? Correct? Any confusion, any doubt? ये जल्दी से बताओ. Any confusion? Otherwise, end कर देते क्लास को. If you have any doubt, you can ask me your doubts. Right? If everything is clear, तो end कर देते. This is done. One small session. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Next class में मिलेंगे with some new tricks, tips, and new topic, right? And do like the video, share the video. Don't worry, we'll take every single question, right? This is not cube, this is only dice. Read the name of the topic, right? This is dice, right? Cube will cover in the next class. This is under LR, right? This topic is under LR and remaining part will cover in the next class. Okay, not remaining part, this is the complete part. Cube part will cover in the cube and cuboid. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye, take care. DI करा दो. DI भी करेंगे यार, don't worry, सारे topics करेंगे. But तुम लोग like तो करते करो वीडियो को. चलो, okay, bye-bye everyone.